Ciao everyone, I'm Esther.
I'm Alfredo.
Of You, Me, and Sicily, and today we want to talk to you a little bit about the Festa di Sant Giuseppe, St. Joseph's Day, a very important festival here in Sicily.
Very interesting to note that Giuseppe here starts with the letter G, not the letter J. Why? Because there is no letter J in the Italian alphabet.
Thanks for that tidbit.
No problem.
Okay, so the St. Joseph's Day festival came about in the Middle Ages when there was a drought, and the people of Sicily prayed to St. Joseph for an intercession, asked for rain. And guess what? Rain came, the drought stopped, and the first crop that started growing here in Sicily were fava beans. So fava beans are a big part of the St. Joseph's Day. And by the way, they also promised him that if he would stop the drought, they would make a big feast for him. A table of goodies is very important here in Sicily.
Well, not only is there things like beans, but there's also plenty of grains, plenty of pastas,
Beautiful
that have
breads.
breadcrumbs in them, bread.
You know why the breadcrumbs?
The breadcrumbs, why?
Joseph was a carpenter, so the breadcrumbs, dust from the wood.
We used to have pasta con mantica and acciughe. That's pasta with the breadcrumbs.
How about sardines?
Well, con lasade as well, but that was pretty much a Palermo thing. On the East Coast, we had acciughe, and we still have them every Friday.
And just like with every festival here in Sicily, there's some kind of a special, so the zeppole.
Zeppole.
Do you like yours with honey?
Zeppole with honey on it. All molasses.
Deep fried. And the other one is sfinci, which is a dough with some kind of a cream. All good stuff. So some of the things that they have on the tables, as Alfred said, obviously the beans, the breads, the pastas, and also, of course, plenty of oranges, lemons, wine, olive oil. The Feast of St. Joseph is a beautiful way to commemorate this very important saint here, celebrated on March 19th.
He's a very underrated saint, okay? Honestly, he was next to God. I mean, God had him as one of the favorite. Jesus had him one of the favorite. And the fervor here in Sicily, and generally in Italy, Esther, is pretty intense. Much more, I think, than the United States. Just my view.
So I want to know, do you celebrate St. Joseph's Day, and what do you do? What kind of things are on your St. Joseph's Day table? Leave us a comment below.
You know, Esther, I was thinking about listening to you talk about St. Joseph there. A wonderful saying came to mind.
Uh-oh.
I mean, eating all these things, you know. You want to know what it is?
Tell me.
Beans, good for the heart.
All right, hope you enjoyed this little video on St. Joseph's Day. And if you did, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and we'll see you on another episode. You, Me, and Sicily. Ciao.
Ciao.